What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I did my birthday nails, which I'm obsessed with to say the least. I did a baby pink French tip with chrome sparkles and I just love it. It embodies everything about me and they were perfect for my birthday. So to start off, I clearly needed some help. My nails are disgusting, they're stained and chipped, and these are like month-old nails, so don't judge me. I like to manually file off my gel on natural nails because my drill is just a little bit too scary for me. And so after I did this, I brushed off all of the dust, wiped my nails off with rubbing alcohol, and then I'm using my Gel X kit to add extensions onto my nails because of course I need long nails on my birthday. So when I'm putting the Gel X extensions on, I first put the adhesive gel onto the fake nail and then I put the fake nail onto my natural nail. I press from the base to the free edge of my nail so that way the product flows from one end to the other. And usually this prevents air bubbles from happening and whatnot, so I get a solid like glue between my nail and the fake nail. This next thing is kind of hard to explain, but when I apply the Gel X extensions onto my nails, I like to leave like a 2 to 3 millimeter gap between my cuticle and the fake nail. You'll see why next, but after I apply them that way, I'll buff them, wipe them down with alcohol again, and here's why I leave that gap. So I'm taking that same bonding gel that I used to adhere the fake nails onto my natural nails, and I'm putting another coat on top of the Gel X extension, the fake nail. And when I'm doing that, I'm taking the product and I'm kind of pushing it over the edge into that 2 to 3 millimeter gap, so that way I'm creating my own edge on the fake nail. This just makes it look more natural and not like I have like a fake press-on nail on my nails. It is an extra step, so it does take a little bit more time versus just putting the Gel X extensions on your nails and heading straight into your design, but I think it's so worth it because it makes your nails look so much more natural and like salon professional. After doing that bond layer, I'm heading straight into my base color. Since my natural nails are so stained, I'm using a pale sheer pretty pink color as my base color. And then to make my shade for the like French tip portion, I'm mixing pink and white. Normally I would just go in and just use this pink straight without adding white in, but I wanted to match the color of my birthday outfit and it was a little bit of a lighter shade than this pink. I'm using my favorite gels today. They're by The Nail Reserve. The bottles of these say The Nail Addict because that was their old name. And this is how I'm painting the French tips on. It's hard to explain in words, so I'll let you just watch my technique. But these brushes that I use are so helpful. They're from Amazon. I got them in a pack of like 5 and they have different lengths and sizes. I love them whenever I'm doing nail artistry. I'll link them in the description box below. My pink and white was a little bit sheer, so I did go over the French tip portion one more time, but it was definitely a lot easier the second time since I had a stencil already down. And then I'm taking my chrome polish and just practicing making the little star. I used a dotting tool and practiced on the bottom of a jar, which is what I also mixed the pink and white on because it's super easy to clean off with acetone or rubbing alcohol afterwards. I used a really tiny dotting tool to kind of drag the first dot outwards to make a sparkle or like star shape. I just kind of eyeballed where I wanted these little chrome sparkles to be, and I felt like my nails looked a little bit empty, so I also used a tiny dotting tool to add like little chrome dots everywhere as like extra sparkles. I finished off with my favorite top coat that is also from the Nail Reserve. I believe I have a coupon code and a link that I'll put in the description box below that you guys can use if you want to save some money. And here is the finished product. I am absolutely obsessed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and comment and let me know what other nail designs you want to see me do and what other videos you want to see me make. And I will see you in my next video.